All right.
When I jump in.
Okay, baby, here I go.
Don't jump on them, Dad.
I got mine.
Make sure you don't jump on Dad.
Breath good.
And don't slip. You need to stand. You need to stand at the end and jump away. Put your toes like that. Put your toes over the end. That's the way I would do it.
Just
so
kind
you
of
don't
push
slip.
away.
Look at y'all. Look at she's shaking. Oh Lordy. It's a big step, isn't it, baby? Once you go off, you're gonna want to go off until 12 tonight.
Mm-hmm. There she goes.
All right.
Woohoo! Good girl.
I didn't think you'd do it. I didn't think you would do it. Oh, Avery. What you look like when you came up, Will? Was she scared?
Doesn't sound like it.
I just wasn't sure if she had her breath or not.